Hello, friends. Welcome back to my kitchen. For those who are new here, my name is Ayo, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Let's make this delicious breakfast egg toast and my Oti Mama tea. First, I crushed some tomatoes and eggs and onions, which I'll be frying slightly, adding my Maggi salt and black pepper to taste. And once this pepper is slightly fried, I'm going to be adding my beaten eggs and allow the eggs to fry evenly and just leaving a little bit of moisture and not very dry. And once the egg is fried, the next thing is I'll be prepping my bread, which I will be toasting the eggs with. In order to allow my bread to be very soft and tender, I will be adding some butter to the front and the middle part of the bread. And that's me there putting my eggs in between my bread. And then I'll allow the bread to toast for about 3 to 5 minutes. And once the bread is well toasted, I'll be pairing this breakfast with some Oti Mama tea. It allows my lactation process and helps me produce a good enough milk for my little one. No milk's going to be added. The next thing I'll do is just to split my bread into two, just so I can easily undo the bread. And that's all the bread and egg toast done and ready to be consumed. Thank you so much for subscribing and watching. And if you're new, don't forget to like, share, and comment to my YouTube channel. Let me know what video or recipe you'd like me to share. Thank you. Until we see you next time.